Hey folks, Honest Jake for Surf Monkey Bikes. Before things get a little too crazy down here, let's go see what's new in bikes from Surley. Let's go! Here is the Fat Tire Surley Moonlander, a 20-speed Shimano SLX drivetrain, rapid-fire shifters, Avid disc brakes, 100mm cutout rim, and 4.8-inch wide tires. The Instigator is a mountain bike, a hardtail, 10-speed Shimano SLX drivetrain, rapid-fire shifters, SLX hydraulic brakes, 3-stage Fox Evo fork, cutout rims, and 2.7-inch oversized tires. The Disc Trucker is a touring bike featuring 30-speed Dior XT drivetrain, bar-end shifters, Avid BB7 disc brakes, heavy-duty Alex rims, and Continental tires. All Surley bikes feature 4130 chromoly steel tubing.